prepping for the ACT used to mean thick books and boring lectures. No more! 36U uses motion graphics videos, like this one, to give you engaging, easy-to-understand instruction that will boost your ACT score. So why should you trust 36U? 36U studies and dissects every ACT test as soon as it is released. We create piles of items for each tested topic or concept, like trigonometry in math, misplaced modifiers in English, evaluating graphs in science, and summary questions in reading. From those piles of items, 36U rates each topic for how frequently it appears, and writes instruction to help you get those questions right on the ACT. So how does 36U work? Click on the topic and watch the motion graphics video. Use the note-taking guide while you watch, and pay special attention to the "How will this look on the ACT" portion of the video. Test your knowledge with the accompanying mini-quizzes, and read detailed solutions for any items that give you trouble. The software will track your progress as you head towards a 36. So how do you sign up? 36U believes in being accessible to everyone, not only by delivering engaging content, but by offering a great deal. The program costs only $15 per month with no minimum commitment. Check us out at 36university.com and get started on improving your ACT score.